to fix Steam no license error. So if you want to fix your Steam no license error, then just watch this video. When you try to run a game, first you will get this error, right? So in order to fix it, you need to go with the URL that I'll leave it in the description below. So once you go with the URL, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and download this. Go with the latest build, and it will start the downloading process on the top right. Once you've downloaded it, you just need to simply go with your file and just simply right click on it and then extract the file. You can extract it anywhere. You just need to simply click on the extract. Once the file has been extracted, the extracted contents will be opened up in your PC or your computer. Now, if you're on your Windows, you need to copy these top two files. If you're on your Linux, you need to copy the files inside your x64. If you're on your 64-bit version of Linux and you want to do the same, so you just need to simply copy these two files. After copying, you need to go back and then open up your Steam. After opening your Steam, you need to go with your library and then go with the game that's not running with the license error. Once done, you need to right click on it and then just simply go with manage and click on browse local files. Once you click on browse local files, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply paste the two files that you have copied from the folder that we've just extracted. Now you can close the Steam, open it again, and after that you can open the game and you'll be able to play the game successfully. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.